Lovelies, so you guys requested I share a tutorial on how to mine my way. So if you're on the Telegram channel, just come to the search icon. Once you come to the search icon, just search for my way. You're going to see the link here, or you can also check the description box of this video or the comment section of this video to see how to mine it. So on this page, you just come and you click on this link, and you'll be required to sign up using your email address, using your once you enter your email address or your phone number, make sure you're not entering your country code. Then you click on this get code. Once you click on get code, they're going to send you a code. They're going to insert that code. It's after you inserted the code, you now set your password and you click on register. Then after registering, you will now still come back and click on that link in the comment section or description box of this video, or the link on the Telegram channel, and it will bring you back again to this interface, and you click on download the Pass, download the app. And this is very simple to mine. So I already have the app on my device. I'm just going to walk you through the interface or the dashboard. So if you're new to my vlog channel, my name is Sussy, and this is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates, how to earn money on the side, my no-fee recipes on cakes, small chops, food trade, commercial drinks, and so much more. I also share my millenary tutorials from time to time. So yes, this is the channel you want to stay subscribed to. Once you download the app, all you need to do is you will see some ad pop-up coming up on the screen. It just pop up somewhere around here. You just need to click on it to cancel. Then you're going to come here and you're going to check in daily. Now I will show you how to check in. You click on this place that shows check in. You click on it, and then it's going to bring you here, and then you're going to see this. It's going to show this my way, and then it will bring this white dash, this white something here. You need to fill in a word, a phrase here. Now this particular sentence that's made here is exactly what is here. So let me read it. Enhance happiness for a better life. Maintain ecological balance to promote sustainability. Now this particular sentence is what they repeated here. And they scrapped out a phrase, and they wanted to insert that phrase. And if you look at the second line that says maintain ecological balance, this is balance that is missing here. So every day they will always scrap out a phrase, and you need to insert that phrase. This is the sentence I usually send, but they just remove a phrase I need to fill. So today I'm supposed to impute this balance. So I'm going to come down here now and click on this white dashboard. Once I click on that white tab, I'm now going to write it out. Balance. You can see as I'm typing, it's coming out. Make sure you don't leave any space. You want to write the sentence the way it is. So once you are through, just click outside the white tab like this, and then you come down here and you are going to click on on-chain check-in. So you click on it, and it's going to make sure you have a good network, and it's going to pop this up. You click on confirm, and it will ask you to enter your wallet password. You will create a password after you've logged in. So I'm just going to come here and use my fingerprint to enter that. And then you will see it here that it's reading. It's trying to ascertain whether you got the passphrase, you got that word. It will show pending, and after some seconds, after about 30 seconds, it's going to check in. But if it doesn't work, just go ahead and do it again. Yes. So you see, let me remove this. You see, this place shows network error. Please confirm. Click on confirm. Now I will need to have a good data to do this. So you can see check in. You can see this is marked already. Yes, if I have not checked in, if I've not done that word correctly, this place will still show that blue tab for me to do that. So that is how to check in here. Then you click on this daily check in here. Once you click on this daily check in, you are going to see it that you've completed the daily check-in for today. That is that phrase, that's what they ask to input. That's how you check in on this website, on this app. So this is very simple. The next thing you need to do is to invite your friends. Yes, you click here, you invite your friends. Once you invite friends, you are going to receive 0.1 make points. Yes, so you need to invite your friends to earn more. And for now, don't take any time. If there's any other information concerning me my way, I'll definitely share it with you guys. Click on invite friends. I want to just show you how the dashboard looks like. You click on invite friends, it will bring you here, and you can copy your invitation link and also invitation code that you share with your friends, or you can click on this invitation poster. They're going to give you a poster that you can save and share with your friends. So once your friends scan this barcode, they'll be registering with your invitation code or link. So it is very, very simple and it doesn't take time. Just log in every day, check in to receive a reward. Another thing you need to do is to come down here and click on this place that shows my me ID. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you here. Now you need to do your advanced verification. This way you're going to earn more on-chain benefits. So if I click on this right now, it will bring you here. You enter your last name, your first name, your gender, your country, then the means of identification you want to use. Then you enter the number, and then you will share the image of the front means of identification, and also scan the back. Then you come here, you click on this I have read and accepted the terms and condition, then you click on next. So let me do that. Then once you click on next, it's going to bring you to this dashboard where it's going to tell you that it takes 24 hours for the on-chain verification of identity data and the generation of me ID to take place. So once after you pass it, your me ID will be granted and you will start enjoying more benefits from the me or Meta Earth citizen. So I just click on complete. If there are other updates, I will definitely come here to share it with you guys. So for now, you can see that these are the record of what I've done so far. So keep checking in every day. So that is all for me for now. If you're not also on my Telegram channel, do yourself a very big favor to join my Telegram channel, because that is where we share information as it drops. See you in another subsequent update. Bye for now.